friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Acer TravelMate B3 and Acer TravelMate Spin B3 laptop. So friend, Acer today announced that it will be carrying PCs which run off Windows 11 AC, starting with the Acer TravelMate B3 and Acer TravelMate Spin B3 laptop. So friend, the portable 11.6-inch laptops were built to survive the school day, boasting military-grade durability certification and 10-hour battery life, featuring the latest Intel Premium Silver and Celeron processor. The TravelMate B3 and TravelMate Spin B3 are dependable laptops that were built to support the needs of K-12 school children. And the laptops are MIL STD 810H certified and feature shock absorbent bumpers, making them tough enough to withstand up to 60 kg and downward force and drop up to 4 feet. And the unique drainage design helps to protect internal components. And a mechanically anchored key design provides a double benefit. The entire keyboard can easily replaced by administration, but individual keys are well secured that they won't be disobeyed by restless finger. And a number of thoughtful features help the laptop find their place within the classroom. And from the Intel Wi-Fi 6 with 2x2 MU-MIMO technology helps with connectivity in multi-user environments, and optional 4G LTE provides the student with a connection when away from a router. And when it comes equipped with Acer antimicrobial design, it features not only an antimicrobial coating Gorilla Glass touchscreen but also an antimicrobial coating on commonly used high-touch surface, the keyboard, touchpad and palm rest surface to protect the surface. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.